Huh? That sounds like a train. What was that? It looked like a ghost train. I'd better follow it. Oh no! That ghost train is taking all of the coal! I'll have to tell Mayor Funling in the morning. Thomas told everyone what he saw last night. Well, I don't believe it. Are you sure you didn't dream it all? No, I definitely saw it. It had bright red steam. Wow, I don't think it likes steam engines if it's taking all of the coal.
A ghost train or not, if it takes all of the coal, every steam engine will stop working.
And diesels will take over the island.
I'll come with you tonight, Thomas. I'd like to see this mysterious ghost train for myself. Okay, so this is the coal pile that the ghost train is taking. Well, I'm sorry, Thomas, but I don't see a ghost train.
Watch out! Here it comes!
Whoa! Oh dear, you were telling the truth, Thomas.
Can I open my eyes now?
Well, of course, Thomas. We need to chase it down.
What? Why?
So we can find out who it is and why they're taking the coal. Come on, let's find it.
Oh no, we've lost it.
Look for anything out of the ordinary. Over there! It's at the water tower. Go, 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 Thomas! There they go. Don't lose them. Aha! There you are. Stop right there, Professor Funling. So it was you taking all of the coal. Why? And who is this ghost train?
Oh, I'm sorry, Mayor Funling. You weren't supposed to see this. I was taking the coal to change it into special steam-coloured coal. Look, I'll show you with Thomas.
Oh, nice! Blue steam!
So why use a ghost train?
I thought a ghost train would be less noticeable. I wanted it to be a surprise.
So that means the ghost train is a red engine. Who could it be?
It's... James!
Surprise! I kept that a secret, didn't I?
Now let's give the special coal to all of the other engines.